is way too early, but here we are, and we're gonna make some chaffles. Welcome to NYB, your host today is me. Let's get this started. So, basically a chaffle is a low-carb waffle where the main ingredient is cheese. First we want to put one egg. Oh my god, I found an egg in here. You can get eggs anywhere. If you don't know where to find an egg, it's a little sad, but I know what it is. It measures. So, make sure you get all of it out, because it's a chaffle. That's the main ingredient is cheese. So, that's pretty cute, measure stuff. So next is our almond flour. Almond flour acts as like a bread, but it's way better for you. So we're just going to take it and dump it in. And then the next ingredient is pepper. Anything that has salt, do not use salt. We just replace it with pepper normally because salt isn't good for you. And your body actually absorbs turmeric with pepper. So we're just going to add some pepper in there. And then we're going to mix it all up. You know, really cute. So we're mixing it, Fast forward me mixing it. Now we're done mixing it. So now we want to put 2 tablespoons of it in our Dash mini waffle maker. It's special edition with the flour. We actually traveled 1 hour to get this for you. So better watch this video and like it, subscribe, hit the bell. So now we're going to put 2 tablespoons of it in there. So we're just going to open it up. You can see the beautiful flour. Don't forget, traveled 1 hour. And scoop this up. Put it in. Oh, you hear that sizzle? This is what looks like a chaffle. Or, I don't know. Now, we're going to close it, and we're going to wait 3 to 4 minutes. So I'll see you in 3 to 4 minutes. Chaffle is done. Look at that baby. I like mine a little bit more crispy, so I left mine in 4.5 minutes. But here we go. We're going to lift it up. And flip it on our owl plate to the side where the flour is. Look how cute that is. Are you kidding me? Now, I'm going to close our Dash mini waffle maker and try a piece of our chaffle. This looks and smells so good, so we're going to dig in. So good. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Highly appreciate it. Hope you guys hit the subscribe button and the like button and press on your post notifications so you know every time the New York Brat posts on this channel. See you guys next time. Enjoy your day.